So you simply need to go to the export tab here. If you don't find it here, you can find it here in the view. You should have something called export here, and you just need to click on that. Then in the export here, you have an option to use the hardware encoder. By default, it's not enabled. What you will have to do is simply to enable it, and it should greatly increase the export time. Some says that it's 5 times faster. From my test, it was more like 2 times faster, and the quality of the video was the same, so it was good. And what this does is it simply use your hardware like your GPU instead of your CPU. So yeah, a good option to do if you want to simply increase the export time.